They shut down the studio with a winning performance last week. And to be honest, they're here to do it again because they are back to confirm that they are the ones to watch for this season, showing just how much it's working. Here is the Big Bad Old Harbor High School.
For grace, for favor, this is my season to reap what I have sown. Help me sing. This is my season for grace, for favor, I know this is my season to reap what I have sown. See, I haven't been perfect, but I sure been faithful. See, God's got a purpose, and I know He's able. I've got a seed in the ground. That's His blessing. I've got a test stressing. I've got a seed in the ground. Now I know Him. I can show Him. Everything is working together for my good. Sing it, choir. Everything is working together for my good. Come on. Everything is working together for my good. God knows everything is working together for my good. Help me sing. It's good. It's good. It's good, y'all. Say it's working for my good. It's good. It's good. Real good. It's good. It's working for my good. Say no more crying. No more hurting. No more. It's working for my good. Say it's good. No more longing. It's good. No more fear. It's good. It's good. Hey, it's working for my good. It's good. No more crying. It's good. No more hurting. No more. Say it's working for my good. No more loneliness. No more fear. It's good. No more. It's working for my good. No. God is leading in my direction. This is my season. For grace, for favor.
Yes. Old Harbor, I heard every note. Every word was clear. Even the syllables were clear. The harmony was tight like a vice grip. This choir is the Jenna. What is this choir? The Jenna. All right. For the older people like Joy, Jenna means general.
Yeah, Old Harbor, the emotion that you put into the song and the musical part, the harmony, the dynamics, how you managed each section. Because when she sang something and it was quiet, the choir echoed quietly, and then when he sang and he shouted and the choir echoed. You people were so responsive to each other. The words were together, they were clear, and the progressions were accurate. This is gospel music.
Look here, girl in the white skirt. Who you? No, where you come from? Sir, step to the front of the class. That was all kinds of beautiful. All of you, well done. I wish I could see this choir with Manchester in the finals. I wish that was possible. I just wish that would have been a thing.
Yeah. This choir is the
Well, they just showed you how it's done. So if you think Old Harbour is here to stay, vote by calling or texting 444-8808.